So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit letter spacing here in the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done for this demonstration, I will just type in the words sorry, this is actually strike through my apologies right here. This is an example of default letter spacing. So as you can tell, the letters are spaced normally, nothing crazy whatsoever. Now, if you wanted to change that, for instance, if I were to highlight this entire thing, for example, and make the spacing a little bit larger, go to the right-hand side of your screen right here to where it says spacing right here. So as you can tell, by default, the letter spacing is 1.0, and this is actually line spacing. My apologies here. Actually, no. We're going to go to here where it says this. So this little gear right here, we don't want line spacing. This could be a little bit of a tricky one for you. If you press that, it'll just change the spacing between lines. But what we want to do here is change the letter spacing. So go to this little gear right here, press on the drop down, and where it says character spacing right here, as you can tell, is actually at 0%. But if you were to keep increasing it up like this, 10% right here, now makes it look like this. So this is an example of default letter spacing, the exact same thing, but the letters are spaced a little bit further apart. And if you were to keep typing this way, this will be the exact same thing. This is an example of letter spacing. You can do the exact same thing. Highlight this right here. Go to the little gear if you want to make it less. You can keep going down and make it less. You can actually make it negative if you want. Make the letters a lot closer together. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. But this is how to edit letter spacing here in the Pages application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.